Hello and welcome to Insight Training, Movies on Demand. My name is Gary Neiman. This movie will show you how to remove pages, mark the pages to reviewed OK, give final approval, and request corrections. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you find this time informative. At the Summary tab, we have 17 pages total, 16 requiring approval, and 1 rejected. We want to get rid of that rejected page, so we're going to select it with that little link at the bottom. You can also click to the right of the page. So we clicked on Remove Pages. We'll get rid of that page. It'll help save confusion in the future. If you don't need to keep your notes or anything, you can remove that. Now this first page, we're going to approve it. And we're going to go ahead and set this to reviewed OK. This will still let you make changes to the pages, replace pages. Just gives you some flexibility. You can see here now that we have a light green check mark. If it's a final approval, it'll have a dark green check mark. So we'll select this page again, and we'll go ahead and give it final approval. On this Pages tab, it'll list all the people that have reviewed it, and it'll keep that there for your reference. But once it has a final approval on it, that's it. You can't review it anymore. You can see I can't make markups. I can still use a couple of the smaller tools, but for the most part, once it's a final approval, it's ready to plate. You can see here we have the same set of approval and rejection. So this is asking us if we want to go to the next page or close it. On page 3 we want some more smiles, so we're going to make a notation here for the designer. Need more smiles. So we'll reject this page and we'll request corrections. Go to the next page. This page is okay, so we're going to give it a final approval. And here you can see we can flip through the pages fairly quickly and approve them one by one. We'll close out of this. Let's take a quick glimpse at the report. When we rejected that page, we automatically generated a report. So the designer can either come in here and request this report, or we can have it set to where it'll automatically email. So once we have that marked, these showing you the things that we can select for the report. It's generating it here, and then we have a little number sign showing where that annotation is. Here's the text annotation, need more smiles. No dystometers or no chat, but that can be captured from Smart Review. So now we're going to select all the pages and approve multiple pages at one time. So we need to deselect the pages that we don't want to approve. These pages have already been approved, so they can't be approved twice. So we have those deselected and all our pages that we want selected. And then we click OK, and that will approve all those sheets. Here we'll click Approve on the right-hand side, and then we'll go right into the approved pages. Total 15 approved and 1 awaiting correction.